Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Out of breath here because I just got back from a quick mountain bike ride, earning my pizza here on a Friday, our Pizza Fridays. Just want to hop on and share two quick ideas that I think will be helpful for you. They're two concepts that, for me, some big paradigm shifts in terms of helping to get not only you excited about your vision for your business, but also you and your team members and as well as your clients. And we're not talking about vision and purpose necessarily. We're talking about a step above, a concept which I call the triple win, which is triple win being helping you and your team and your clients, the triple win, to not just achieve your vision in your business, but to achieve self-actualization through the lens of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So if we boil down what drives and motivates all of us in our lives, whether it comes down to driving to Home Depot to pick up the hammer to build whatever your weekend project is, or something bigger, something you're trying to achieve within your business, it all comes down to self-actualization. So us having and thinking about a goal or a desire that we have, either short-term or long-term, and having the ability to actually execute and unlock and achieve it. And so what often gets in the way of us achieving these things, short-term, long-term, big or small in our lives, comes down to the levels underneath self-actualization. So if you picture the pyramid, you have on level one, physiology. So our beating hearts, our lungs working. If that's not in place, nothing else will matter. So the foundational level within Maslow's hierarchy of needs is physiology. Above that is safety. So if you're healthy, but you're worried about living in an unsafe environment, that's going to be your top priority. And that's going to drive your motivations and behaviors and your decisions. So safety is number two in terms of what we need as humans, what drives our decisions and behaviors and actions. Above safety, you have love and belonging. Love and belonging is basically your friends, your family, your relationships. When you're working, do you feel a sense that you belong to something that's bigger than you? And then esteem is recognition, which is number four is esteem. So when we look to buy and drive around in nice cars, it's status, it's recognition, it's feeling a sense of self-worth. So buying the fancy car, for example, or literally just getting and feeling recognition within your team for doing something, a job well done, recognition beyond just a paycheck oftentimes. And then lastly, self-actualization. So that comes down to, for you, it's being able to actualize on your vision in your business, obviously. But the why behind the why for your business, in many ways, is freedom. So it's time freedom, it's money freedom, it's freedom to self-actualize outside of just earning money and putting money in the bank account, freedom to book a vacation and collect experiences with your family. So self-actualization. Now, in the context of, so we're talking about the triple win, right? So self-actualization for you and your business is much more possible if you allow your team to self-actualize, meaning that your business allows opportunity for them to grow as people and for them to self-actualize and for them to enjoy, recognition, all those things below. If your business is a vehicle for physiology, so having like health programs, having a safe work environment, those check off the boxes on the four levels below self-actualization. And then ultimately, if they see your business as a vehicle for them to achieve their ideal life, then you're going to have much less turnover and you're going to have a team that's inspired and really loves what they're doing. And then the third part of that triple win is your clients. So number one is you, number two is your team. And when those two things are in check, guess what? Your clients are also going to hopefully self-actualize. So even if you're a roofing company, HVAC company, manufacturer, if you're a professional firm, legal firm, accounting firm, you in terms of what you do, you have the privilege of helping others self-actualize through what you do because you are solving a problem, whether big or small in their lives, that is getting in the way of them self-actualizing. And remember, it's not necessarily about the big wins, it's about the small day-to-day experiences. If you're taking away a small problem for them, helping free up a little bit of their time, then they're able to reallocate that time towards doing what it is they love. And so that's the triple win. Your business, you should see it as a vehicle for not only your self-actualization, but your team's self-actualization and your client's self-actualization. And when you get these three things in sync, then that's that sweet spot where you're going to love what you do, your team's going to love what you do, and you're going to get a flywheel effect for your clients also loving what it is you do, and you're going to get the referrals and the repeat business that way. So that's what I wanted to hop on and talk about here today. If that's helpful, let me know. And if you can let me know if you're watching this in the comments below, that'd be amazing as well. Comment below. Otherwise, if you're watching this live, if you could comment hashtag live so I know you're here. If you're watching this on the replay, hashtag replay. Now, I did tell you I was going to talk about two things, but I think I'm going to wrap up with that, talking about this is like the purpose behind the purpose of your business. And I think it's a useful framework because sometimes we can get stuck on what is our vision? What is our purpose? Where are we going? Really what it boils down to for all of us is your business should be, this is the most motivating thing for what we do, regardless of your business or industry, should be to help you, your team, and your clients unlock self-actualization, the triple win. Now, in the next video, what I want to talk about is how to navigate the stages of growth in your business on your way towards that triple win, that self-actualization. So the next video, probably in the next couple days, I'm going to talk about essentially viewing your business as a pendulum, swinging between constraints in your sales and marketing and constraints on the operational side of your business. I won't get into it right now, but that's the next video I think I want to share with you guys to help you to break through the levels of growth within your business to ultimately unlock that self-actualization when it comes to you, your team, and your clients. So anyways, I'm gonna hop off here and enjoy some pizza. Happy Friday, guys. Hope that was useful, and we'll see you in the next video.